Hello YouTube, welcome back to another live stream. Don't forget, as soon as you join the double tap that screen, get the likes up, all right? Make sure we subscribe. If we can gain over 2,000 likes for this stream, that would be awesome. That would be at least 2,000 likes we're aiming for this stream, all right? Let's get it. David, you join already? What's good? Oh, you like my setup? Oh, you like the setup so far? Built. Appreciate it. Thank you. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Let's go, guys. If we can get, as soon as you join, don't forget to double tap the screen, hit that like button. We're trying to aim for over 2,000 likes on this stream. All right, so double tap that screen. Make sure you subscribe. Let's go again, all right, so let's aim. Let's aim for 2,000 likes. Can we get aim for 2,000 likes this stream? All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me set this up real quick. Paraguay, welcome. All right, guys, don't forget to double tap that screen, smash that thumbs up button. So, David, whenever we hit at least 100 likes or maybe 50, you can mess around with the with that pin thing right there. You can just change it. I think that I pinned the comment. Yeah, you can just mess around with it. All right, guys. So today I got a crazy chest workout for you guys today, man. Sub, appreciate it. Thank you. I think we didn't carry it in there. Really no. Let's go, chat. Let's get this bread, chat. We staying lean. Appreciate you guys. Let me get this iron right here real quick. Double tap that screen, smash that like button. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure we hit that like button, bro. Let's go. All right, where you guys watching from? Drop the name of your country. Is that Turkey? Drop the name of your country where you watching from. Let's go. Amazing transformation. Appreciate it. Nick Gurr, happy birthday. Whoa, man, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that like button. All right, double tap that screen. Let's get this bread. Let's get it. Appreciate it, Chad. All right. Come on, double tap that screen. Smash that like button. Make sure we subscribe. Let's get it. Let's get it. Is that maybe Kizard? Happy birthday. I don't know if I pronounce that right, or a mighty Kizard. I don't know. Happy birthday. Smash that like button. Make sure we subscribe. All right, so we're gonna kick things off with some pull-ups, and that's a little weighted, maybe 2 set weighted pull-up. Also, all right, Mohammed, what's good? Just, what I want you guys to do right now is drop a number, comment a number between 25 and 30. So give me a number between 25 and 30. We're gonna do some pull-ups. So give me a number between 25 and 30. All right. Let's go. Double tap that screen right now, guys. Double tap the screen. Let's go. Let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up. Let's go. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, 28. I see 28. I see 20. Come on, guys. Give me a number between 30 and 25. How much pull-ups we should do first set. And don't forget to subscribe, all right? Double tap that screen. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. $28. All right, let's go. Is that 93? I should do 93 pull-ups in one set. Oh, really? Just 45 reps. Let's go. Double tap that screen. Let's get it. Let's get that money. Let's go. Just getting started, guys. Warm up. Warm up, man. Smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so for those who want to know how to build a chest like this, stick around. We got a chest workout today, all right? Don't miss it. I always got people asking what I do for chest. So if you want to know, want to see my chest workout routine, just stick around. Some crazy stuff coming up for you guys, man. Don't forget to double tap that screen. We tried to get able to get to over 2,000 likes today. Can we? Yes, we can. Just double tap that screen. I'll be more strong, but not with chest like this. Bro, this guy talk weird, man. Sometimes I can't understand what you're saying, bro. You talk difficult, to be honest. Should I use a weird camera? Will it fix that? Let me know. All right, chat. Don't forget to double tap that screen, man. It's difficult when I'm going to use the rear camera. I think you can understand that, right? Because I'm not seeing what I'm doing. But, all right. I'm going to use this anyway, just to make sure everything is all right. Bro, let me know. Is it all right? Is it better? Is it better? You're making this difficult for me right now, man. Let's go, guys. We're doing behind the head pull-ups. Let's get it. Whoa! Make sure we locked in, all right? Let's get it. And if it breeze a blow, you know? All right. David. Hell, appreciate the super chat, bro. Blue Chuck with that $2. Gifted, appreciate it. Make sure to double tap that screen, guys. Smash that like button. Let's get this cash. Let's go. Get anyone? Go on, man. Tell man. Put this on. That you want, that you gonna get. Push-ups, we're gonna get to some push-ups right after this. Make sure you're in, all right? Double tap that screen, hit that like button, let's go. Trying to get over 2,000 likes this stream, let's get it. So 2 sets of weighted pull-ups first. Wait, 2 sets? Only 1 set. Let's do this 1 set because we're gonna do some more later on. So, in 1 set, then I'll probably end up doing 2 sets. Come on, chat. Double tap that screen. Hit that like button. Let's go. I like upon this thing a while it go on. Trust me, broke vibes, body no man. Meditation right now. No joke. All right, chat, let's get it. Smash that like button, double tap the screen right now. You haven't subscribed yet? Subscribe. Also, comment, let me know which country you're watching from. All right, let's go. I really don't want to touch this too much, you know. Touch it too much at all. Swear. One more set. Then we're gonna get to some pull-ups. I mean some push-ups. So stick around. Make sure we're locked in. Let's go. Yep. So remember I hit the street yesterday. David, one of my uncles saw me and like, yo, he was saying, yo, are you taking steroids? I'm like, no, man, come on, you know, cause I'm not even that big like before. I'm like, nah, bro, hell no. Same nutrition, just all nutrition, bro. That's all. All right, how much likes we got on the stream right now, guys? Make sure we subscribe, hit that like button. Let's get it. I'm like, damn, man, I've been off. Creatine was the only thing we consume. I've been off that creatine now for a while. You guys see this? Smash that like button. Make sure we subscribe. Let's go. Let's get it. What we need here, though, we're gonna move on to some push-ups. All right, make sure we locked in. Double tap that screen. All right, let's go. Happy independence for sure, for sure. All right, chat. So I'm gonna show you guys crazy push-ups to do at home. Build chest. Get it. Set up real quick. Put this right here. Double tap that screen. Let's go. Double tap that screen. What are we waiting for, man? What are we waiting for right now? Miracle? David, you don't have to move this thing. Ready? Double tap that screen. Let's go. This is how you build chest at home. Explosive push-ups. Come on, double tap that screen, bro. Let's go, man. What are we waiting for, man? Miracle? Smash that like button, guys. Come on, man. I don't know what else we want to see. He said, do you want to move to America? No, I don't want to move. Maybe thinking about visiting one day, but not moving, no. Jamaica is my home. Jamaica is my home, man. Smash that like button, chat. Let's go. Smash that thumbs up right now. Let's get it. Better than bench press any day. See? See? This routine carve your chest out different. Carve them chests out differently. You see that? Smash that like button right now. Let's get it. Muscle is huge. No excuse, bro. That's the mentality. All right. Let's get it. Ready again? Are we ready again or not? Ready again to go to get it? You like Canada? Love Canada. Discipline. Trump. All right. Let's go again. Up. Let's get it. Except flex your arms. We do legs on Mondays, man. I got small carbs. That's all. I've been working on my carbs crazy, but slowly but surely. Only thing I got is small carbs. Obviously. I don't know if you guys can see them. But you ever got small carbs, man. When people said I'm off balance, I ask them in real life to just come test me to see if I'm off balance. But I'm not off balance, guys. Just keep moving though. What? One more, all right? You guys are funny, man. I'm not gonna joke, man. This is crazy. Yeah, I get this daily, man. Daily accusations, man. Daily. I'm getting used to this. This is a big compliment, man. Imagine you're natural. Diet is on point. You'd be putting in the work, and if where you go, people saying how he's using rides. Crazy. He's on the juice and stuff like that. It's crazy, man. Crazy. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. You guys are funny, man. He's on roids. He's not natural. He's on that juice. You guys are crazy, man. Make sure to smash that like button. We're trying to get 1,000 likes. All right, Chosen, you see that shift? Yeah, I saw that shift too. But yeah, man, Trump. What do you guys think about Trump? What he's doing right now? Drop the comments right there. I want everyone to comment Trump right now in the chat. All over. I want to see Trump. I want to see the American flag all over. Come on, comment Trump. Come on. Trump for 6 sets. We're doing 2 more sets for Trump. Let's get it. Come on, man. I want to see Trump. I want to see everyone comment Trump right now. Let's get it. Blue truck coming in with them gifts. Let's get it. Everyone comment Trump right now. Trump. We're gonna do 1 more set for Trump. We're gonna try to aim for at least 20 reps. Let's go. Let's get it. There we go, Trump. Keep the Trump coming in. Keep the Trump coming in. Let's go. Let's get it. Trump coming in. Comment Trump. Trump for the pump. Come on, Trump. Let's get it. Trump for the pump. Trump for the pump. Come on, let's go. There we go. Trump for the pump. Let's get it. Come double tap that screen. We're trying to get over 2,000 likes, guys. Come on. Smash that like button. Let's go. Trump for the pump. Let's get it. Come on, Trump for the pump. Comment Trump. I need you guys to comment Trump. Trump for the pump. Come on, let's get it. Let's go. Trump for the pump. Let's get it. Trump for the pump. Come on. Smash that like button. Make sure we subscribe. Make sure we subscribe. Let's go. Come on, jump for the pump. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Double tap that screen. Jump for the pump. Blue Chuck, yo, David. Appreciate you, man. Thank you once more for that $2 coming in. That right there is a true Trump fan right there. MAGA fan right there, for sure. We got any more true Trump fan in here? Anyone here? Any true Trump fan? You want to support? Let's send it across. One more set again for Trump. Shall we? Let's get it. Come on, man. Everywhere I look, everywhere I go, people say, oh, he's on rides. I don't know, man. You guys are bugging, man. Push up for Trump, yeah. Hashtag push up for Trump. There you go. Hashtag push up for Trump. Everyone comment right now, Trump for the pump. Hashtag Trump for the pump. Let's get it. Trump for the pump. Comment right now. Let's go. Come on. Trump for the pump. Let's get it. Trump for the pump. Let's go. Trump for the pump. Let's get it. Trump for the pump. Keep the comments coming in. Which state you're watching from? Come, double tap that screen. Let's go. Let's go. Jump for the pump. Comment jump for the pump right now. There you go. Sub, thank you. Appreciate the sub. Come on, man. Pump. Jump for the pump. Jump for the pump. Double tap that screen. Smash that like button. Let's get it. Come on, jump for the pump. Say jump for the pump. Jump for the biceps. Come on. Let's get the likes up. Let's go to 2,000 likes. Trying to get 2,000 likes right here now. Help us to get to 2,000 likes. Everyone right now, double tap your screen. Everyone right now, smash that like button. Everyone right now, smash that like button. Let's get it. Jump for the pump. There you go. Jump for the pump. Two pump. Trump. I see people commenting. Pump for the Trump. All right. Pump for the Trump. All right, Trump for the pump. Any one of them. Jump for the pump. There you go. Bro, I have to push the limit, bro. To be a president, you have to push the limit. Remember that. To build them muscles, you have to push the limit. Jump for the pump. There you go. Come on, jump for the pump. Jump for the pump. Jump for the pump. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, gang. Let's go. How much more set we should hit? Let me know how much more set I should go. Let me know. Make sure we subscribe. Jump for the pump. Jump for the pump. There you go. Smash that like button. Double tap that screen. Let's go. Make sure we all subscribe. I want you guys right now, everyone right now, to double tap that screen. Everyone right now, hit that like button on your screen right there. I see people commenting, said, make America great again. Let's get it, let's get it. He said, make America healthy again. Oh! Jump for the pump, let's get it. Oh, God. Jump for the pump, crazy. Yeah. Jump for the pump, keep it coming, keep it coming. There you go, there you go, there you go. There you go, there you go. Which, a comment, drop a comment which state you're watching from right now. Let's go, guys. Let's see how much states we got in here. Which state you're watching from? Hashtag 45, hashtag 47, there you go. Jump for the pump. Oh, sheesh. Let's keep it going. Pennsylvania, locked in. Scotland, locked in. Burpees. And you sub? Oh, what are you, 29? Come on, keep the states coming in. Australia, UK, locked in. Jump for the pump. There you go. 45, 47. Jamaica, yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get this bread. One more set. If you want to see some weighted dips, jump for the dips. Mississippi locked in. New Zealand locked in. Jump for the pump. All right, let's go. Oh, God. Jump for the pump. Everyone comment, jump for the pump right now. Jump for the pump right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is it right here. Jump for the pump right there. Double tap that screen right now. Smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, we got a crazy start here. We need to keep that momentum. We need to keep it going. Yeah. All right, Chad. So we're doing chest right now. If you just locked in, just tune in. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. We're doing today's chest day. Just start out with some push-ups. Now we're gonna move on to some dips, some weighted dips. Make sure you're locked in. All right. Subscribe. All right, let's get this bread. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Where you guys watching from? I see the country flags coming in. Keep them coming in. Which state you watching from? Anyone here from Arizona? Anyone here from Florida? Comment which state you're watching from. Anyone here from New York? Anyone here from Canada? All over the world. Come on, comment. So everyone right now, click that like button on your screen. Everyone right now, click that like button. Make sure you subscribe. All right, so these are for the weighted dips. So I'm gonna put them right here for now. Now we're gonna move the camera. We're gonna put the camera right there. So I hope you're ready. All right. Make sure we're locked in. Don't forget, double tap that screen if you want to support. Remember, we got super chat. You want to support? Support the movement. All right, guys. Give me a second. Let me set this up real quick. Let me set this up real quick. All right. Set up the camera right here. Hope you're ready. Oh, there we go. Come on, guys. Let's get the likes up to 600. Double up that screen. We're trying to get over 2,000 likes on the stream. Come on. I'll plug the phone in because the battery is low. So I'll plug it in real fast. Oh, there we go. All right. So everyone tuning in. Time for some dips. You ready? Smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe, man. You ready? Let's go. Shout out to anyone here watching from New York. Drop a comment. Let me see them. Smash that like button. Subscribe right now. Everyone right now, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button, man. Okay. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. See that chest, bro? So you build chest like this at home. You don't need a gym. All you need is just that chump motivation. Let's get it. Give me a second here. Chump for dips. There we go. Say chump for dips. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming, guys. Come on, be creative with them with the comments, man. Come on, be creative with the comments. Be creative with them comments, all right? Chump for dips. I like that one. Chump it up. There we go. Chump for the pump. Come on. Chump for the dips. So we're gonna do one more set body weight, then we're gonna add some weight. We're gonna do added weight dips right after this one. Let's go. Let's get it. Subscribe. Smash that like button. Now for some weighted dips. All right. Sorry, I'm going to use that something I taste still, you know. All right. Let's drop this on real fast. All right, chat, let's go. Let's get it. Subscribe, guys. Let's go. Chum for the weighted dips. I want to see them chat coming in. Keep it coming in. Let's get one. Try and get 1,000 likes on the stream. Let's keep the chat coming in. All right. Let's go. Let's get the likes up. Let's get it. Let's go. So we're starting off as usual. 52 pound. 52 pound added weight. Let's go. I'm gonna blow this chest off like a balloon, guys. Let's blow up the chest like a balloon. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay. All right, chat, let's go. Make sure we subscribe. Appreciate it. Notice we're trying to get over 2,000 likes on the stream. So double tap that like button. I mean, double tap the screen, hit that like button. Don't double tap the like button though. All right. But double tap that screen, smash that thumbs up button. Make sure we subscribe. Let's get it. Hey, yo, Smith. I see you. I see you. Let's go. One more set. Let's do another set real quick. Then we're gonna up the weights after in a few. All right. So make sure we stick around. I want to see the state. I want you guys to comment which state you're watching from. I want to see the states. Which state you're watching from. Everyone right now, please comment which state you're watching from. All right, let's get it. Okay. So this me I talk about, you know, man. Yo. Telling you, man. Subscribe, hit that like button. Double tap that screen right now if you want to get gains. Fastest way for you to get gains right now, Double tapping that screen. Let's go. We're trying to come on. We're trying to get over 2,000 likes. Smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Got Florida locked in, Texas, Birmingham, England. Is that Meridian? A few years, Japan. Where you guys watching from? Comment which state you're watching from. Which state you're watching from? Because we got Florida and we got Texas locked in already. Anyone here from New York? Anyone here watching from Jupiter or Saturn? Do we got anyone here watching from Mars? Drop the comment where you're watching from. Illinois, locked in. Minnesota, locked in. California, locked in. New York, locked in. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Let me know which state you're watching from. Texas locked in. India locked in. London, Alabama. Germany locked in. Keep it coming. Keep it flowing. Keep it coming in. Whoa! London locked in. This guy's watching from the moon. We got someone here watching from the moon. Welcome, dude, bro. How is it there on the moon? Let us know. We want to know how is it on the moon. K-Town. Appreciate it. Money locked in. New Zealand locked in. K-Town. Dragonland. Cities from Dragonland. Watching from Russia. Odao. Is that Idao? Love from India. India locked in. Houston locked in. Final set, guys. Welcome everyone. Thank you all for joining. Don't forget to double tap that screen, hit the like button. We're trying to get over 2,000 likes. Help us to get over 2,000 likes on the stream. Then smash that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe. Let's go. Everyone right now, please double tap your screen. Everyone watching right now, double tap your screen. And make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button also, all right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, man. And comment on where you're watching from. Are you watching from America? Drop the name of your state where you're watching from. So far, we only saw, I think, only like 4 states already, man. I know there's way more people here from America watching, so don't be afraid. Drop a comment. You gotta be kidding me. All right, guys. Now it's time for we to step up the weights. All right. So we're gonna step up from 50 pound to 70 pound. Make sure we're locked in. Make sure we're locked in. subscribe, man. Smash that like button. Someone's asking like, where is K-Town? Keep up the hard work. Appreciate it. Membership. Crazy thing is I didn't even pay nothing for it. Free of cost, man. So anyone wanna come and work out here, free of cost. All you need is just discipline, or that mind, or that interest, or that motivation. That's all you need. Smith, is that Idaho? Hey David, what is that? Is that Idaho? I don't know. I don't know what that means either. Best shoulder exercise. I actually got a video, you can check it out. You guys are funny, man. All right, you guys are y'all are funny, no joke. Y'all are funny. Let me put this one side. You guys are funny, man. Oh, it's Idaho. Okay, Idaho. He's watching from Idaho. Good night. I hope from Brazil. Brazil locking in, locked in. Shout out to Brazil in the building. Happy 4th of July for sure, man. Your Jordan was good. Yes, good. Brazil in the building. Let's go. Oh, a blue one there. Blue's a clean off. Stay this and sweat out for me, general. Oh, go on, man. Sweat out so higher. Seeing. Put that back this way now. Start again. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Don't forget to double tap that screen. Help us to get up to going for 2,000 likes on the stream. Smash that like button. Ireland. Protein source. Help us to get to over 2,000 likes, and we're gonna share that. So double tap your screen right now and smash the like button. All right, chat. So we're gonna strap this set up this weight right here. We're gonna strap it to our body. Then we're gonna do some more pull-ups. All right, we're going for at least 3 sets with this one. It's 3 sets, and we all right. Are we ready? If you're ready, type let's go in the chat. Let's type let's go. Let's go. Come on, chat. Double tap that screen. Hit that like button. Let's get it. Let's get it. We got anyone here watching from Denmark today? Anyone watching from Australia? Drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Also, comment your favorite exercise. What's your favorite exercise? Drop a comment. Let me know. Whoa. Dips. Your favorite exercise is dips? Really? Chicago locked in. That's Phillip Island, Australia. Locked in. Okay, nice. Squats. Squats your favorite exercise? Nice. You don't have to make sure your arms or anything like that, all right? You can do dips. It's just like push-ups. There's no special way to do push-ups. As long as you know your core is straight and your back is straight. You know. But there's no special way. Because every variation is gonna impact different muscles areas. So when I extend my arms like this, or wide like this, I'm hitting the whole chest here. I'm telling my chest to just get bigger and bigger. Extending my chest. So I don't have to do it close. God. What you wearing on you? What you wear with that, you know? No, it's not the time. See? Your son was good. All right, chat. Okay, chat, let's get it, man. Make sure we subscribe, man. Make sure we subscribe, chat. So we got one more set remaining. One more set. Just tuning in, working on the chest. Doing some weighted dips. I got 70 pounds strapped to my waist here. And we getting it. You should feel it in your tricep, your shoulder, and your chest. Crazy. Okay. What you wearing? You can't put it on repeat. Like you look like you got a tug. That's crazy though, man. All right, chat. Let's go back over here now. See. Give me a second. I'm gonna move the phone real quick. All right. Let's get ready. Make sure we locked in. Yo, now we'll go back to some of them again. I'm waist already. Yeah. All right, chat. Don't forget to double tap that screen. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Help us to get to over 2,000 likes. We're almost there. All right. So everyone watching right now, please double tap your screen, hit that like button, and hit that subscribe button right there on your screen. All right. Let's go. So now we're gonna get back to some pull-ups. So you guys can feel free to just give me make some requests on which pull-ups you want to see like in first set. You want to see the muscle ups? So the bar that I have right now, this is not the stable bar for the muscle ups. And if you guys watch my previous videos, then you know that I can do muscle ups. But this bar is not stable for muscle ups. It will be super risky for me to do it on that one. So remember the double tap screen right now, that like button. Let's go. Smash that thumbs up. Trump. I wanted to say troll, but I said Trump. Well, yeah, David, if we got shadow band, bro, was your idea. All right, if we ever got shadow band, it was because of David. All right, remember that. Okay, let's get it. Let's go, chat. Oh, man. I'll put this one side. I want to reach that yet, you know. We don't reach to the body weight pull-ups yet. As yet. Okay, let's go, chat. So I want you guys to vote right now and drop a number in the chat. How much pull-ups we should do for the first set? So I want you guys now to give me a number between 26 and 20. 12 now. So I want you guys to vote, man. Give me a number between 20 and 26 for the first set. 21, 22, 20. Keep the vote coming in. 26, 21, 20. Keep the vote coming in. All right. All right. 26 is the highest number so far. All right, let's get it. You guys said 21. I said 50, a number between 26 and 20. All right. I want you guys to comment pull-ups. I want you guys to comment pull-ups for Trump. All right, pull-ups for Trump right now. I want to see the comments coming in. Or Trump for pull-ups. So pull-ups for Trump or Trump for pull-ups. Keep the comments coming in. All right, keep the comments coming in. Keep the comments coming in. So I saw 26 reps. So we're going to aim for 30 again, all right? So I want to see at least 3 more on pull-ups for Trump. So comment on pull-ups for Trump or Trump for pull-ups in the chat. Then we're going to kick things off. We're going to try to get 30 pull-ups straight. Come on, guys. Let's get it. One more person. Pull-ups for Trump. We're going to kick things off. Oh, there we go. All right, let's go. So we're going for 30 reps. Double tap that screen right now. Hit that like button. You haven't yet? All right, let's hit the 30 reps first. And then you hit the like button. Promise? All right, let's go. One set. 30 reps, one set. I have to do that extra one. I just had to do that extra one here. Just for you guys, man. Make sure to double tap that screen. Let's go. I think we deserve to get over 2,000 likes now, right? Double tap that screen right there. Smash that like button. Let's go. $31, I'll take it. Free Peter Tash. R.I.P. man. R.I.P. right? Yo, David, appreciate the gift. Pump for Trump. I need you guys to comment pump for Trump. Where you watching from? Okay. Okay, then. Take that. We got 2K likes. Oh, can we hit 3K now? Where you watching from? Where you watching from, bro? Thank you for the gifts, so David, with them gifts. Appreciate it, bro. Can you guys see this picture right here? Who is that? Can you guys see this picture? Who can see this picture? David, appreciate the gifts, man. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Where you guys watching from? Drop the name of your country, drop the flag, let me see them. Who want to support? Who want to support the movement? There's a link in the description if you want to become a member of the team and gain access to some crazy footage here live from Jamaica, all right? So click the link in the description to become a member today. Yo, W Trump, appreciate it. Let's get it. Trump for the pump. Behind the head pull-ups, let's go. Okay. Okay, chat. Sure we locked in, all right? David, appreciate all the gifts, man. 43 plus gifts, appreciate it. David, what about respect, man? For sure. Seeing. Lock it in. Can we see this picture? Or I need to turn up the quality. If you can see this picture, I need to comment. Needed to comment yes. If you can see that picture right there. If you can make out the picture, I needed to comment yes. Rides. That's what they say. That's what they say every day, right? Oh yes, yes sir. Appreciate you guys, man. Thank y'all for commenting. Yeah. Nice, nice. All right. Hey, yo, Sam. So for those who think this is AI, hey, yo, Sam, what's good? Blue Truck, what's good? I see they think AI. What do you mean by that? They think it's AI? I'm AI? You guys are saying I'm AI? You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny. Do I look like AI? Double tap that screen right now. Smash that like button. We need to get able to get to 3K likes right now on the stream. What are you waiting for, bro? Hit that thumbs up button, man. Subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for, bro? What are you waiting for? Huh? Subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that like button. What are you waiting for? Come on, man. What are you waiting for, bro? Smash that like button right now. Double tap your screen. Let's get it. Come on. We're trying to get 3K likes on the stream. Smash that thumbs up. Double tap your screen. gotta know, bro. It's been slow though, for real. But you know, still, let's hope we don't really get any shadow ban after. What do you think? What's your thoughts on this? Let's break YouTube algorithm here. Double tap that like button. Double tap your screen. Don't double tap your like button, but tap the like button and double tap the screen. All right. Just hit that thumbs up. Double tap your screen. Let's go. Let's get it. From Esca. Some weighted pull-ups again. Sharp with 52 pound. Five reps. 52 pound added. Behind the head pull-ups, I'll take it. This is nothing like the regular pull-ups. So I'll take it. Yeah. Do we got anyone here watching from Africa? Let me see the chat. Do we got anyone here watching from Denmark? Anyone here from the Caribbean? Anyone here from the UK? Comment, drop it right now. If you're brand new and you already subscribed, I need you to comment new. And comment the name of your country and comment new. If it's your first time and you already subscribed, all right? Let me see the chat flooding right now. Everyone, comment which country you're watching from or which state and comment new right beside it, all right? Make sure you double tap that screen. So if you're brand new and you subscribe, comment new in the chat right now. Keep it flooding. I see you guys. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it flooding, all right? One more rep. One rep remaining. I mean one set. Make it one set. Not going for numbers, but sets. Be brand new, grab the name of your country and comment new right beside it. Let's get it. All right, chat. What are you waiting for, man? I'm not finding any excuses. I'm making it happen. Making it happen. Limited resources. Limited resources here. We're still showing up. Still working. What are you waiting for, bro? What's your excuse? Florida, South Africa. Locked in, hashtag pull-ups. Pull-ups for Trump, there you go. Double tap your screen right now, make sure you subscribe. This guy, brother. Where you get that stuff from, man? This is an African thing, right? This guy, man. This guy. All right, chat, make sure we subscribe, chat. Let's get it. Smash that like button. Subscribe right now. Let's do a final. Let's do one more set real quick. Let's go. This is how you have to work like crazy or like hell if you want to look crazy. Remember that. You don't need no needle. You don't need no drugs in your system. All you need, put in the work. Make sure you're working hard. No pain, no gain should be your anthem. Make sure we locked in, all right? Let's go. Subscribe, man. What are you waiting for? Double tap the screen. Yo, David, shout out. Appreciate it. Blue truck. See it. Let's go. I'm doing both. I'm doing calisthenics slash so now we're gonna move on to some curls. All right. So I'm gonna move on to some curls right now, guys. Make sure we locked in. Let's get it. Make sure we locked in. Let's go. Greetings from Seattle. All right. Okay. Gotta be kidding me, man. You gotta be kidding me. All right, let me plug in the phone real quick, get some charge. We need to get some charge here. Double tap that screen, guys. Let's go. plug the phone in real fast. And now we're gonna do some curls. Time for some curls now. All right. Let's get back to work. All right, so the first bar we're gonna use start out with a 56-pound bar, and then we're gonna jump up to 70+ pound bar. All right, let's get it. Hit that subscribe button. We're going for 3K likes. Double tap the screen right now, hit that like button. Make sure we subscribe to the channel. All right. What this on the hat right here? I forgot it's I forgot to turn around, right? All right, so I'm gonna do the other side. Let me do this real quick. Where you from? From Jamaica, man. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, land we love, man. I know everything come down already. See this right there, so back again. How much minutes so far? 90. Okay. See, other side there now. Ready to get it? Yeah. Whoa. So we get it. So we get it. Cap right here. That's 20 reps, man. That's 20 reps. Let's go. Make sure we subscribe. Trying to get 3K likes on the stream. Help us to get to 3K likes. Double tap the screen right now. Hit that like button. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm not lifting light weights. All right, so while we're trying to keep the elbows steady, remember I don't lift light weights. I don't work out with light weights. All right, you have some people who work out, do the bicep and mostly focus on form. Hopefully one day we can focus more on form. Want to participate in bodybuilding competition? I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm just in my zone. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Appreciate everyone tuning in. What's good? Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. All right? Which state you're watching from? Which country you're in? Make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button. Natural all day, every day. I'm a Jamaican. For those who don't know, I'm a born Jamaican. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, all right? Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. What's happening to the roof? Roof is in the making. We're looking to put on a concrete roof on the building. What's good, man? What's your favorite exercise? Drop a comment, let me know what's your favorite workout. Break your limits. There's no limit, bro. Come on. There's no limits. I have to remember that, all right? There's no limits around here. We ready again? One more set. This time we're gonna go crazy. Full with power. Crazy power, all right? So we're gonna use concrete. We're gonna put on a concrete roof on the building. All right, let's get this bread. Let's go. Been working on it for over 8 years. Okay. 8 years. It's been ups. It's gonna be ups and downs, man. Especially for someone like me, not fully financially stable. So there's been a lot of challenges here and there. But the motivation has been huge, man. It's been huge. I love this. I can't see myself without doing this, working out. So even if I stop, I'm gonna start again. You know, I just love to live. I just love to work out, man. It's not about all about lifting, but I just love working out. Good feeling, mentally and physically. I just love that, man. And it changed my life. Like, for people that are lazy, like lazy people are people that are not really like-minded, people that are like talk a lot but don't really put in the action. I don't really surround myself with people like that. Maybe when I was younger, but not now. I take work and action serious. Yeah. So if you lay back a lot and not put in the work, then you can't roll with me. I'm not gonna come around you. All right. I'm just all about the progress and action. That's what you guys should do as well. Surround yourself with people who's gonna push you to better yourself, who you can look up to, who's gonna motivate you. All right. Let's get this money. Make sure you subscribe, man. Hit that like button and double tap the screen right now. Let's get it. Now we're gonna move on from 56 pound to 70 pound. We ready? Appreciate it. Yeah, bro, no joke. Let's get ready, guys. Trust me. When you're elevating yourself, it's gonna be a lot of, you guys already know this, just in case you don't know. It's from day one, I already know that. There's gonna be a lot of negative, a lot of negativity, a lot of negative energy. You know, don't make that surprise you, or distract you, man, or stop you. Of course not. Just expect it. It's gonna be a lot of hate. Just you have to be ready for them. You know. Yeah. Let's get it, guys. We ready for this 70 pound or not? Are we ready for this 70 pound? Keep working, man. You look great. Appreciate it. Most definitely. I'm about to work out too. Let's get it. Good stuff, man. Hey, yo, where you guys from? If you already subscribed, I want you guys to comment new. For everyone right now, please participate in this. So I want everyone that's watching right now who already subscribe, or if you're first time watching, I need you to comment new and drop the name of your current country or the state you're watching from. All right, let's get it. Is that Bulgaria? Yeah, let's get that joint right there. Let's get it. Canada. New Canada. Welcome. Appreciate it. Austin was good. Bulgaria, yeah, for sure. 50. Good job. Appreciate it. It's in Europe. Okay. Appreciate you all. Let's go, man. Let's get it, Chad. Let's get it, Chad. Australia. Chem Adventures was good. Australia in the building. We're from Jamaica. Let's go again, chat. So for each rep, we're targeting over 10 reps for each, all right? Remember that. Let's get it. All right. I'm gonna have to watch these right after I finish. Same time. For sure. How much you curling? It's over 70 pounds. It's more than 70 pounds. So it's 70 pounds plus. Just 70 pounds plus. So we're chilling right now. Yo, Cholin, what's good? Cholin rolling, where you at? I have great food in Jamaica. Great food out here in Jamaica. Great food. All right, how much? All right, guys, don't forget to double tap that screen. Hit that like button. We're trying to hit over 3,000 likes. So right now, help us. Double tap your screen right now. Hit that thumbs up button because we're trying to gain 3,000 likes. All right, so help us to gain 3,000 likes simply by just double tapping your screen and just hit that thumbs up button right there. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it. Are you ready right now? Let's go. Ready for the next set. Left a like. We go locked in a workout. Go get it, man. Get that bread. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate it, guys. We're from Jamaica. Interesting. Let's get this cash, guys. Let's get it. Up and coming Jamaica. Jamaican bodybuilder, really? I don't know. I'm just gonna stay in my lane, man. Just gonna remain chill. Do a lot of core exercise. A lot of core exercise, like this. Leg raise, reverse crunch, stuff like that. Do a lot of those at home. Go for straight burns. dead bug, a lot of workout like that. All right, so do those and do some little cardio here and there also. And I would say ease off eating a lot of them greasy meals, greasy food. He's cut down the rice consumption and milk. And if you drink beer and stuff like that, alcohol, you need to cut down on that also. Do 20 push-ups. Right now, the only way you're gonna get me do 20 push-ups right now, bro, is only if we get like some gifted, at least 10 gifted, 5 gifted. 5 gifted, yeah, we might hit a 20 push-ups. 5 gifted. Super chat. All right, that's the only way I'm gonna do like other workout out of my routine that I'm doing right now. All right. Yeah, keep protein high, definitely low carbs. There you go. Come on, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I tell you, man. Ready, boss, ready, I know, crazy stuff. Smash that thumbs up button, chat. Make sure we subscribe, YouTube. What are we waiting for, guys? What are we waiting for, man? Hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure to subscribe, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So we did chest earlier. See that chest? Yeah, man. Huge arms, dude. I can barely manage my arms right now. Huge arms. It's not even arm day. Imagine if it was arm day. We're just only doing biceps. Just biceps. Just biceps, all right? Ah! Whoa! God! God. Come on, Chad. Make sure we subscribe, man. Come on. You make your equipment? Yes, I made my equipment. I made them from 2017. I think I made the first one from like 2015, 2014. Yeah. It's not about how much I lift now, man. To be honest, I don't work out at the gym. As you can see, I work out at home, man. But this I did weigh these though. So that's a 70 plus pound, more than 70 pound. And the other bar is about 56 pound. Last time I weighed it. All right, so that's basically it. So we're just curling light today. I guess to at least focus a bit on form. Not really much on form, but just a bit. Just a bit, all right? All right. I'm from Jamaica. All right. Troll, line up that $40, man. Respectfully, with a lot of respect. Line up that $40, bro. For sure. Can definitely use that to make up for the incoming shipment. For sure. Village protector. We don't really got village. We don't really got like village in Jamaica. It's just community. Because we got roads everywhere. So tarm, asphalt everywhere. So, but anyway. That's that, man. So for everyone that for all the new viewers and new subscribers, I need you to comment new in the chat right now. All the new viewers, new subscribers, comment new. If you're a long time supporter, I need you to comment old. Just comment old in the chat, all right? You guys can see it now, right? All right, guys, so let me see them. Let me see. Let me see my longtime supporters, my new supporters. Let's see. I'll sub with you. If I do 20 push-ups, you're gonna sub? Hey, yo, bro, what kind of picture is that, bro? What kind of picture is that? Come on, guys, help us to get. Come on, guys, help us to get the 3K likes. We're trying to get to 3K likes right now, man. Double tap that screen. Let's get it. Do some push-ups. Come on, man. You guys want me to do a push-up? All right. Okay. Oh, yo, you want me to do push-ups? All right, guys. Let's do the push-ups. All right, give me a second here. Oh, we did carry it out now. I think I realize it now. All right, we're gonna do the push-up. Give me a second. I'm gonna set this up real quick. What country? Jamaica. You said you subscribe if I do 20 push-ups? Okay. All right. Get ready, all right? Make sure to get ready. I need you to get ready. Get ready, all right? 20 push-ups it is. 20 push-up it is, all right? I'm gonna do push-ups with tension too, so you already know what time it is already. Ready? Oh, come on, no phone. No phone I like in a bright someone. Play with the body, this no phone, I do. Let's go. Most definitely. Whoa. Where's my sub? Where's my sub, bro? I hope you subscribe right now. All right? I hope you subscribe right now. Yeah, for everyone tuning in to today's live stream, appreciate you all. All my new viewers, new subscribers, appreciate you all. You're a troll, you see this? No creatine, bro. Trust me, troll. No creatine. It's pure diet, bro. Crazy. We've been off creatine now for over 2 months now. I don't know, 3 months. So we've been off creatine like over 3 months. Pure natural, just diet and hard work. Damn. Rear cam. All right. Give me a second, guys. I'm setting this up real quick. David, thanks for the gifts. Appreciate the gifts, man. I wonder if this is all right. So me I say, yes, I. So try to plug this in instead. Eh? This have to plug in on. All right, chat. Let's get this bread, chat. Let's go, chat. Double tap that screen, smash that like button, and make sure we subscribe, man. Let's get it. Testosterone, huh? Telling you. Appreciate everyone tuning in, man. Thank you, guys. If you haven't already, I want everyone right now. Let me watch this. Let's make the likes right now go to 3K. Can we do that? Yes, we can. I want everyone right now to hit the thumbs up button. Everyone right now, hit the thumbs up button. Let me watch this. Let's see if this can happen. Let's make history, guys. I need everyone right now to hit that thumbs up button right now. Let's go. Let's go, dude. 3K likes on the stream. Let's get it. Appreciate you guys, man. Thank you all. Thank you all for 3K. All right, so troll. Yeah, bro. We hit the over 2 hours mark. So y'all know already know what time it is, David. So yeah, I'm looking for that thing, David. Get ready. Thank you guys. 3K likes, bro. 3.2K. Wait. I think we can get 4K likes on the stream right now. I want everyone that haven't already. If you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up button. Let's see if we can create history. Let's see if we can get to 4K likes right now. Let's see if that's possible. Let's see this now, dude. Let me watch this. Let me watch this. Can we get 4K likes right now? Everyone right now, smash that thumbs up button. Let's see if we can get 4K likes right now. Let's go. Crazy. Some pull-ups are too late for that. We already work out. Been working out for over 2 hours now. Come on, man. I don't know if no more pull-ups back for the evening unless if you guys send any gifted and request me to do pull-ups or push-ups or even handstand. That's how I'm gonna do it. So if you want to make any requests, if you want me to do stuff, make sure to send if you send gifts from $5 gifts, gifted and up. You know what? From $3 gifts, from $3 gifts, super chat and over. We can do push-ups or pull-ups, whatever, or handstand. So from $3 and up, I'll do push-ups or handstand. All right. If you want me to do a handstand, push-ups or pull-ups, you have to send at least 3 gifted or over. Super chat, all right? Yo, David with the coming in with the gifts. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate it. Okay, let's get it. Subscribe, man. Double tap that screen right now. Subscribe. For everyone watching right now, if you haven't already, double tap that screen right there. We're trying to get 4K likes. Can we get 4K likes? Yes, we can. I want you right now. Everyone that haven't before, hit that thumbs up button. Please double tap your screen right now. Hit that thumbs up right now. Let's go. Come on, come on. If you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up right now. Let's get it. So if we get 4K likes, I'm gonna do a handstand, and stay on the let's see how long we can do a handstand for. All right. So I'll do the handstand challenge if we get 4K likes. So if you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button. Let's get 4K likes. Let's get to 4K likes, and we're gonna do a handstand. If we get 4K likes, I'm gonna do a handstand. Let's get it. All right. So for everyone tuning in that haven't already, smash that thumbs up button. Please smash that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And for all the new subscribers, new viewers that haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. All the new subscribers, thank you so much. Welcome to the channel. All long-time supporters, diehard supporters, I love you all, man. Remember to always stick around. All right, and stay tuned. Make sure we hit the bell also. Stay notified for daily streams and daily uploads. All right, daily motivation from our live here from Jamaica. So stay focused. All right, stay focused. Keep working. I love you all, man. Peace out.